evolution of life in the universe. Obviously, and we all know that life is the most beautiful creation in the universe. Yes, it is. We all know that because everything we are attracted towards its life. We can see that all the thing in the natural, like flowers, they have life. They live for certain time and they after that time they decay. Same with fruits, same with vegetables, and there are countless things in the nature that they have life. And if you know the scientific research which are going in the world, we all know that even moon had some specific time period. Yes, it is too much with respect to us, and sun, moon both, and all the space object have specific time period. Yes, that is different thing, that their time period, their living time period, their lifetime is too much with relative to us, but they all have a specific time period. They all have a time span which they will live. So yes, life is the most beautiful creation in the universe. So now we are seeing in the dimension of that evolution of life. Like life is evolving from the from long ago. It is not that we are only evolving now. Life was evolving before, started evolving from thousands of years ago, from millions of years ago, when we come from the bacteria, and they are the evolution of life. But here we are talking about the evolution of human life, okay? Because we are mostly, when we are talking about the understanding of life, we usually talk about human life. But I am not saying that human life is that a far more richer, higher level than any other life. No, I personally think that and see that and understand that and realize that all the life in the universe are equally special and equally significant, okay? But we are only taking here for understanding the human life, because we are like every topic we only take up one part at one time to understand it better, okay? So in next video or some other video we can cover all the part, but here we are talking the understanding and evolution of human life, okay? So take with that evolution of life in the universe. What is that mean? That what is the meaning of evolution of life? Meaning of evolution of life is that the increasing of understanding of life, like increasing understanding of humans life. Before a long ago, understanding of ourselves. When I am saying ourselves or we, that I am denoting here the humans living in that era, okay? So when we were at that level of understanding, that we only used to walk, and the only transport system we know that with ourselves, we only used to travel with our own barefoot. We are at that level of understanding at one point of time, okay? So and that time also we are making good with foods, with some animal hunting or some plants. There was a level of understanding at that time, okay? So then because we are starting evolving from the past to the present, and will always be in the future, okay? Then after some point, that when because our understanding is always increasing, okay? It's always increasing, even it is increasing so slowly, okay? So then we find that we can make a vehicle with the help of animal and wheels which were invented by humans. So we have animals separated and we have wheels separated. So what we human think about at that point of time, that if we combine both of them, animals and wheels, we will get a vehicle which will reduce our time travel. Time travel, that we don't have to take the time travel, and literally time travel is that the time which taken by traveling a distance. I am talking about that time travel, okay? Not that time travel. So not going in between past and future, because that is also in past and future, because if when we are moving from one point to another, that will be past and future. But you are understanding what I'm trying to say, okay? So where the time taken by our when suppose if we want to go from a point to point B, and the distance between that is 1 kilometer, okay? And suppose we are taking like 10 minutes to reach there with our own barefoot, okay? But that was a level of understanding of ourselves at one point of time. Then when we thought that animal and there is a wheel, and we combine them and we make a vehicle, then when we travel the same distance from a point A to point B, with one, that is 1 kilometer, and we reach there suppose at 8 minutes, and the first timing was 10 minutes. So suppose we reduce here 2 minutes. Okay, so you don't have to be, you know, that too specific understand with the what I am trying to say you. Okay, so then we reach at certain level of understanding that yes, we move from that level of understanding from barefoot to vehicle. Yes, we move and we start evolving as a life, but evolution of life is never stop at any point. So it always start increasing after some point of time. Okay, we started finding that we are, because we are evolving in all the dimension of life. We are not just only evolving in engineering, because that is an engineering task to, you know, combine animal and wheels together. That is an engineering task. But we are not only evolving in the field of engineering, we are also evolving in the field of art. So as we can see that there are many vehicles which are covered and which are highly crafted with design, with colors, with clothes, and there are some, you know, some kind of stones which, you know, we find that many times in nature in different places. So we are always evolving in the field of engineering and in the field of art and design. Then we reach at one point, then we were making that, you know, vehicle with animals and wheels. Okay, then because life is continuously evolving, that our understanding reach at one level when we thought that yes, we can make a vehicle without animal. Yes, we can make. So the people of that time are looking that what can we make without the, you know, without animal. So we make bicycle. I'm not saying that, you know, bicycle was the first invention made by human or created by human or invented by human after the, you know, bull's cart. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that this is the one of the invention. Okay, I'm sure, you know, there may be some kind of animal, some kind of invention, but we suppose we are taking bicycle. Okay, because it was the one of the, you know, basic and beginning invention at that point of time. So this is the vehicle made by and created by humans, that which is not made by with the help of animal. So see how we are evolving at the level of understanding, that first we make the vehicle of transportation, that we reduce our traveling time from going from point A to point B with the help of vehicle which is made by animal and wheels. Now we are level of understanding increasing that point, that we are making vehicles without the animal. So we have a bicycle. Okay, but our understanding or our evolution is never stopped from any end. So that human also thinking that now we can make something which run faster than the car with the horses, like an animal and wheels. Simple. So human of the time also thinking that can we make a vehicle which run faster than the animal and wheel combination. So they thought about something like car. They thought about, and they make some kind of car which used to travel, you know, less speed than the horse car, you know, bull's car, because I'm so horse car. So after that evolution and understanding of human increasing, they reach at one point when they invented that car which used to travel faster than the car which this the vehicle which is made up by the animal and the wheels. See how our evolution is start increasing, how we are evolving from the thousands of years ago from now on. And that is the beautiful thing in the life in the universe, that we are special and significant in the universe because of our understanding increasing, because of our understanding. And we never stop at any point. Then we find because we are always evolving, so we found that can we make an instrument and a vehicle that which can, you know, flow on water. So we make a ship, we make a boat. We started with a boat and then we after make a ship, because we all know that, you know, how the house of body will float on the water. We all know that if we you know, throw the water more than its weight, so it will, you know, flow. So we all know that what are the phenomena, and I am saying that how we are evolving as a life. Then we thought that, you know, there should be some vehicle that which you know used to fly in the sky. So we make aircraft. See how we are evolving in the universe, that at one point of a time we was walking barefoot. We was walking, and at one point of time we are flying in the sky. At one of a time we are flown on the ocean, water. At one point of a time we are going out of the earth. At one of a time we are sending our rovers to the Mars, Curiosity rover, and there are many kind of rovers which are going on moons or Mars, and there are many satellites we used to, they are used in a circle around their sun and Jupiter. See, that is the evolution of life in the universe. And here, because we are evolving in all the dimension of life. Okay, now we take another example, that we can take our healthcare system. At that point of a time, in used to, thousands of years ago, there were some people used to die because of some disease, and we didn't know what was the disease that kills that person. So we even don't recognize the disease. How can we treat that? But see, as the year are passing now, how we are evolving at the level of our understanding, that we are evolving in our medical system. So we almost can treat any kind of disease now which are happening. Yes, corona is affecting on too many people, but at all, almost all kind of disease we can treat. All kind of cancer we can treat, which is they didn't have any treatment before 10 years ago. That's how we are increasing, and that is the most beautiful thing in the life, that life is always evolving. Our understanding is always evolving, and that is the most beautiful thing about life, that we are always evolving. And we can take countless example here. Okay, suppose I am just taking only some example here, because you can understand how we can imagine and how can we think the countless example in the universe. Okay, take some example more. At one point of a time, that when we even didn't know that we have some connection with the star. So how that kind of people were thinking at that point of a time? They are seeing in the star, and most of them also that question in their head, like, there will be some people on the star, how star look cute, how they are shining, how they are bright. They all have that kind of question. But how many of people were thinking that maybe we have a connection with the stars? So think, suppose some of the people were thinking also like that, we have a connection with the stars, but they didn't have a fact. So they can believe that, because even if it is truth and we don't know how it is true, it is belief. Okay, so even some people thought that we have some connection with the stars, and if they don't know how we know that, so it is not a truth, it is a belief. Because even if we don't know the truth, how it is truth, so it is a belief. Okay, but now as the year are passing, now we invented telescope, and we study on stars, we study on planets, and we found that star and galaxy are the fundamental creation in the universe. That planets, comets, meteoroids are formed with the stars. Like our planet also came from some stars, and all the life in the planet which are evolving are made of the same material which the star are made of. So we have a deeper cosmic relation, that we have a direct connection with the stars, that we form from stars, we born from the stars, we are made with the same material which the stars are made of. So we are seeing that we are one with universe, that we are made with the fundamental creation in the universe. We are that level of understanding. That is how we are evolving as a life. We are seeing that we all have geometry, and some plants have some geometry, some vegetables have some geometry, some fruit have some geometry. So we found that we all are connected by a string of geometry. So we are finding that life is evolving, that there was some point of a time in life there used to be king in many country, and what is the desire they have? They have desire to rule the world, and to they make their everything their own. But now as years are passing, we are evolving as a life. We are seeing there is a deep unity in universe. As the years are passing, we are seeing that you all of us, you are watching me, we all are connected by geometry, by our life string, that we all live for certain time period. So we find that there is a deep unity in universe. You and me are not separated, we are connected. You and me came from the same fundamental creation in the universe. We all came from the stars, so we all are star kids, we all are connected. So that's why I'm saying that as the year are passing, we as a life are always evolving, and it is the most beautiful thing in the universe, that evolution of life. And evolution of life, we mean, is that increasing of our understanding of ourselves, of humans. So that's why I'm saying that evolution of life is the phenomena which was going on from in the past, is going on in the present, and will always be going on in the future. So because the more we life will evolve, the more we find and the more we see that we are one with the universe more than we ever know now. We find more and more relation that we are one with universe as the year are passing now, because we all know that we are one with universe naturally. Even now we all know that, because we are made with the same fundamental creation, with the star are made of, with the galaxy are made of, and we are connected with geometry, we are connected with life strings. So we are connected, but as we are evolving more and more after 1 month, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, we will find that we are one with universe more than we ever thought. So the more we evolve in universe, the more we feel there is a deep unity in universe. The more we evolve in universe, the more we see that we all are connected. The more we evolve in the universe, the more we find that whole world is like a home. The more we evolve in the universe, the more we see that we all are connected. The more we evolve in the universe, we all are find that we all are one. That is the evolution of life in the universe means, man. Thank you so much.